Hi again, it's Rodney Hakim from Persian Gallery, New York. We're still at the Rug Show here at the Javits Center, and we're here with Michael Christie, the editor of Rug Insider magazine. He's also known to those who are internet savvy as the Ruggist on social media. So we're here with Michael, and we want to talk to Michael about the new issue of Rug Insider magazine, as well as his walking tour that's happening here at the Rug Show called Under the Rug. So Michael, tell us a little bit about the Under the Rug walking tour.
So what we do here at the Rug Show is we offer the Under the Rug tour, which varies a little bit year to year, but we talk about trends going on in the industry, both as a matter of style, what rugs are popular or where we think trends are going, but also trends that affect the business aspect of the industry as well, changing distribution methodologies, changing demographics of consumers, because all of those are a lot more interrelated than people usually give them credit for.
Right. And the first walking tour was today,
Yes.
Sunday, from, I think we started at 9 or thereabouts?
Oh no, it's this afternoon.
Oh, it was in the
2 to
afternoon.
3.
2 to 3. Okay. And the next one is?
Tomorrow afternoon, no, tomorrow morning at 11.
Tomorrow morning at 11. So if any of you are interested in attending the Rug Show, you can visit www.therugshow.com. You can come in and join Michael for that tour.
Yes.
And in addition to that, we have the new issue of Rug Insider magazine. Beautiful issue, the fall month 2019. And
Thank you.
Michael, what can you tell us about the new issue? What can we expect in the new publication?
It was a really fun issue to put together. It kind of came about, I'd been doing some traveling and had come to know of 3 new rug companies doing new production out of India, Nepal, a little bit out of Pakistan, that were all headed by women. And so we decided to make the focus of this issue Women in Rugs was the working title, but we ended up with Feminine Perspectives as the final title. And it talks about women in the rug industry and the perspectives they bring and the importance of really understanding your customer demographic. So many rug customers, rug buyers are women, and so many rug dealers happen to be men. As an observation. And so we talk about, really trying to understand the consumer and how to cater to them.
Oh, that's great. And this new issue, the fall 2019 Rug Insider issue, is available in print. It's also available in a digital format. And how can they find that, Michael?
The digital format, you can easily find it. The best way is to go to ruginsider.com, and then you can link through to the digital. Or if you're already using Exact Editions to read other print publications, you can easily search Rug Insider magazine on exacteditions.com.
Okay. Now, you've been walking around the show. You gave the tour today. Can you give us an idea, just a distillation of what was discussed in the Under the Rug tour? What trends are you observing for the new fall season?
Traditional. There's a big swing back toward traditional, and again, the relationships people don't realize exist. In uncertain political times, social times, economic times, there's always a gravitation back to the familiar, the rugs your grandmother had, just the things you know. And traditional rugs play a big role in that. So you see a lot of traditional rug styles, whether it's a new rug that looks like a traditional style, or perhaps, in the case of someone like you, hopefully a return to an appreciation of an antique rug.
Speaking of which, we have this year at the Rug Show, for the first time in quite a few years, we have the Antique Rug Pavilion.
Yes.
Have you had a chance to visit them?
I just had a quick look through.
Okay.
My love is, of course, for more contemporary product, but
Right.
I had a quick look, and there's some really nice product back there, that just reminds of the abilities capable in a hand-knotted rug, right? Modern rugs tend to be a little more simple, a little more minimal.
Right.
And as I think you've once said, there's a return to maximalism. And a lot of old rugs, really excel at layering pattern upon pattern upon pattern.
And that's right. And we, like you said, we've also observed the trend of the return to color, the return to some traditional
Absolutely.
designs, and again, the return to maximalism. There was an article in Elle Decor that we'll be linking to on our website soon that talks about how maximalist design is on the way back in. So thank you very much, Michael.
No problem, sir.
And again, for anyone who wants to join Michael tomorrow for the Under the Rug tour, you can visit www.therugshow.com. You can come by and check that out. Michael, thank you so much.
No, thank you, sir. Have a good night.